got then. Let me show you what I got. Check this out. Bring the bass line. Ayo, shut it down.
These brothers my guys, know that we fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, never gotta roll with ice. Generations caught up.
Let's see how to create this effect. First, bring the intro video onto the timeline. Now, double-click on it and scale the video down to 50%. Next, move the playhead to the last frame. Using the drawing tools, create a circular shape over the wheel. Adjust the size and position of the shape so it perfectly matches the wheel. Double-click on the shape. Change its color to red. And reduce the opacity. Then, move it to the third layer. Now, bring in the first image. Go to Settings and scale it up to match the circle. Make it as accurate as possible so the transition looks seamless. Trim the image to only 5 frames and delete the remaining portion. Next, add the second image and repeat the same steps, matching it precisely with the circle outline. Continue this process for the rest of your photos. Once done, add the outro video at the end. Adjust the wheel so it aligns perfectly with the circle. Click OK and set the preview zoom level back to fit. Now, select the entire sequence of photos, copy it, and paste it onto the next layer to create a duplicate. Change the duration of each duplicated photo to 1 frame and position each one over the preceding photo. Double-click the first duplicated photo and go to Mask. Select the circle mask and adjust it around the circle area. Then, click on Invert Mask. Repeat the same masking steps for the remaining photos. After that, delete the red circle shape, go to Effects and search for Directional Blur. Drag it onto the timeline and apply it only to the transition sections. Double-click the effect. Create a circular mask around the wheel. And invert the mask. Now, select all the elements and create a compound clip. Scale the compound clip up to 200%. Add a keyframe a few frames before the scene changes, and another keyframe exactly at the transition point. At the second keyframe, adjust the scale and position for a dynamic zoom effect. Now, move to the end of the sequence, add a keyframe a few frames after the scene changes. At this keyframe, set the scale back to 200% and change the rotation from 0 to 360. Click on Render Preview, and that's it. Your video is ready.
What you got there? Let me show you what I got. Check this out. Bring the bass line. Ayo, shut it down.
These brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, never gotta roll with ice. Generations caught up, look how things will switch. People they're quick, now they wanna move at the bits. Boy, when the